A victim of a man that substitute his mouth for his hands, so when he talk you hear a blam. Damn, see my father figure, that my mom should be the father figure, and he'll leave with some bottled liquor. But my mama never stopped the nigga until he start to pop it quicker than she called for the cops to get him. And I'm like 1, 2, 1, 2, is the mic on? Cause y'all ain't feeling the song. What I'm feeling is wrong. Hey dad, you ain't still in the wrong, but a young man's aging and you still ain't called. I'm so stressed that I really need a black, and I cherish my mom, and that's thanks to me, you're black. I'm sorry, D Black, you might have lost your mom, but you gained a family in return. And you learn, you can always let it be, but you never let it burn. I'm just hoping it won't be my turn, so let it go like 1, 2